Yeah, I mean, this has been a very great intro to bioinformatics. I mean, most of the time when we hear bioinformatics, we think about coding, doing hardcore computing and stuff like that. But this workshop has been great through from the wet lab preparation to the introductory to the tools. We have the facilitators by our side, giving one-on-one encounters with us and taking us through and answering our challenges as well. And it has been very captivating. This goes a long way for me because I'm in a group where we also look at antimicrobial resistance and we're looking at different either bacteria or we are looking at parasites. So with this, my focus mostly on malaria. This gives us the blend where we can look at drug resistant genes and how we can map up and then know whether this thing is circulating in our area when we generate our data, and we can map this into other continents or other countries and see the differences in there, where we can also go ahead forth and knowing these differences we can design different drugs to target different genes and stuff like that. So it's pretty great.
Yeah, so over the years, when you hear the word bioinformatics, it sounds quite huge and quite intimidating. But joining this training, I think with the help of the directors, the facilitators, and other participants, it's been quite a smooth journey. We actually demystified the whole concept of bioinformatics. I think I've really come to appreciate the whole field of bioinformatics. It's been quite an interesting journey so far.
So, having had a previous exposure to bioinformatics, this year's training has further exposed me to the field and made me appreciate other tools that I can use in terms of analyzing my data that I generate in the lab. For my PhD work, I'll be doing a lot of sequencing of TB isolates. So this workshop gives me the requisite skills in order for me to appreciate and better understand, one, the literature that I read, and also how to practically analyze my data. So we've organized bioinformatics training the past year, and this year we thought it wise to have another session where we had participants from the institute and others from the Kumasi Veterinary joining us. So actually this is our second time of organizing a workshop on bioinformatics. The purpose of this training is to help the scientists to be abreast with next generation sequencing. So the participants in this workshop had the opportunity to do both the wet lab and the dry lab, and it was hands-on. So we believe that they'll be able to run their data, their lab data, as they go on in their various projects. So this workshop has come to stay, and we look forward to another session next year. And kudos to the organizers.